In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell all over printed shirts on Shopify using Printful. This process is a fantastic way to dive into the world of e-commerce with a focus on custom apparel. Let's get started by navigating through your Shopify dashboard. First, make sure you're at your Shopify home. This is your control center where you can manage everything related to your online store. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on Products. This section is where you manage all the items you plan to sell, so it's crucial to become familiar with it. Next, you'll want to import your products. Look for the Import button, which will allow you to bring in products from another platform. This is especially useful if you already have designs or products that you've created on other platforms, or if you're migrating your store over to Shopify. Click on Import, and then you'll see an option to import data from another platform. Go ahead and select that, and then click Next. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose the data or products you want to import. This is where Printful comes into play. If you haven't done so already, make sure to connect your Printful account to your Shopify store. Printful is a print-on-demand service that integrates seamlessly with Shopify, allowing you to create custom products like all-over printed shirts without holding any inventory. After connecting Printful, you can import your all-over printed shirt designs directly into Shopify. This is done by selecting your desired products within Printful and syncing them to your Shopify store. Once imported, you can edit product details such as descriptions, pricing, and variants directly in Shopify to ensure everything aligns with your brand's voice and pricing strategy. Remember, the key to success with all-over printed shirts is in the design and marketing. Make sure your designs are unique and appealing. High-quality images and detailed product descriptions will greatly enhance the appeal of your products to potential customers. Finally, once your products are imported and your listings are optimized, you're ready to make them available to the world. Ensure that you have set up payment processors and shipping options in your Shopify store to handle transactions smoothly. That's it. You've now set up a system to sell all over printed shirts on Shopify using Printful. With your store set up, focus on driving traffic through marketing and social media campaigns to start seeing those sales come in. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.